something, about gutting on the feeder. Well, we used to do it and kind of got away from doing it. But got the trail cam going. Well, I just gut them right off here to the side. I mean, grass, everything's wet. It's cold. I don't feel like dealing with it getting soaking wet. So we got the trail cam. What we're gonna do is with the gutted on the feeder, we're gonna see how long it takes for it to affect this area before deer start coming back in. So stay tuned. We're gonna find out for you. Bohemian Hunting Club and Smoky Oak. Smoky Oak, makers of fine product.